Ever wanted to look like a cartoon character outlined by destiny itself? Well, buckle up today, I'm showing you how to slap a stroke around yourself in CapCut. Step 1. Drag and drop your image, preferably the one where you look like a snack. Now click remove background, don't panic. CapCut's magic wand is working, and yes, it's way faster than you trying to cut it out by hand. Once the background is gone, boom, the mysterious stroke option will appear like an achievement unlocked. Tick that box and suddenly you're glowing with outlines like a superhero in training. Choose your favorite stroke me. I like the bold one because subtlety is for people who whisper in libraries. Pick your color, adjust the size, tweak the opacity, and voila, you're officially outlined and outstanding. If you like this quick tutorial, smash that subscribe button before your stroke disappears. Because trust me, this is one effect you'll be using again and again.